Whew, man, there's a lot of data here. Hello everyone, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and we are still at Fast Lane Classic Cars.
Heck yeah, St. Charles, Missouri, about 15 minutes outside St. Louis, to the west.
To the west.
And if you want our phone number, I'm gonna stick it above Bill's head. Look at it, write it down, remember it.
Learn
Call
it,
us
live it.
About this car, the other 150 or so that we have at any given point. And also, quick reminder, like and subscribe. Because when you like and subscribe, it helps us help you, help us help you. And then also hit the bell when you subscribe, because then you get notified when we make videos, and they get put in front of your face.
In your face. This is a 1970 Dodge Charger RT SE. This is in your face with the Go Mango Orange. Now this car is a beautiful car, friend of the owners, amazing and immaculate restoration. This car, it's not numbers matching, but that is a correct, date-coded correct 446 pack. This car did come with an automatic, but this gentleman converted it to a 4-speed pistol grip. It's incredible what he's done. It is an original white vinyl top car. It is an original SE, the special edition, chock full of options. Beautiful car, really well done. The owner of this car believes it's the original sheet metal. That is pretty impressive. He also believes it's the original 42,000 miles on that engine that we have. It's a gorgeous car. Gorgeous.
Go Mango, you gotta love that
Go
too.
Mango Orange is amazing. I know there's great B-roll of the trunk and all of the beautiful, I mean, you talk about a restoration, this is the guy that you want to do them.
Yeah.
He is incredible.
We got a nice trunk mat back there. The floor's under the trunk mat. Looks like you could eat off of it.
Oh
I mean,
my
it's
God.
brand new. Even the filler neck for the gas.
That's incredible.
Like perfectly painted and everything, not to mention the gas cap itself.
Oh, this, the interior, wow. That's what I have to say is wow. It couldn't be much better than this. I love the way it looks. I love the fact it's a 4-speed. What a great thing to convert. Oh, wow.
You got the Hurst shifter in there, you gotta love that.
Look at it. It's gorgeous.
It is
I love
gorgeous.
it. I love the 70. I love the look, the hideaway lights, the RT. We have to do a start up, and I cannot wait to drive this car.
Let's do it.
Here we are, Jake.
Sync now. All right, here we go.
Hi.
A little bit technical difficulties with the camera,
Those things happen.
but we're starting the drive now. Oh, first gear action. Oh wow.
Like butter.
We hadn't gone very far. The temp gauge still hasn't moved.
A little bit.
So the car's still cold. We're gonna take it easy for now. But I mean, it's
Absolutely.
running smooth as silk for a big block that's not warm yet. Usually they sputter and, you know,
Not this one.
not this one.
It's been expertly
This is a
redone.
different breed.
This is a restoration that everyone should be proud of.
Oh, yeah. Especially the guy that did the restoration. Make it right. Okay, I guess we're going
All right, let's do right.
You didn't listen to me, did you?
Not really. I was too busy wanting to drive this thing.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Second gear action. Pistol grip shifter. Doesn't get much better than that. And it's a Hurst shifter,
Yes, it is.
which is awesome.
Taking, no, not here. The next one.
Left at the stop sign, yeah. We got a nice dashboard with no cracks or anything on it.
No way. And hey, what time is it? Ask me. Go ahead.
What time is it?
It is 3:30.
You know, and that's
Working
just because we have
clock.
an accurate working clock.
I love that.
But you
That's a great restoration.
We don't
right there.
normally get those here. You got a nice radio. You got the chrome switches for the wipers and the washer fluid. Heater controls up here. All the gauges over here work super nice. And then you got the light controls to the left of the gauge cluster.
And we got the indicator on the hood, which is a rare thing to
You got
work.
the
God love
indicators
them,
up
they
there
did.
on the hood, and they do work, which is awesome. Make a bit of a left turn here.
We're going a little bit differently today, folks.
You know, and it's not the loudest thing in the world either.
No, it's really refined, but it's a six-pack, and it, boy, does it garner some looks.
Yeah, it does.
And why wouldn't it?
Dude, it drives awesome.
It does. It shifts
And
well.
because it's 1970,
Oh, yes.
you got big back seats for real people.
Real people,
Real life people can fit back there, adults, not just children.
not just kids.
Oh, wow. There's some
power. Got some grunt when you want it.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, this is a Charger.
You got an ashtray down here with a chrome cigarette lighter. In case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids.
Don't do it. But
got a nice...
buy a Mopar because this is one of the better ones ever.
Yeah, especially don't smoke in this car.
It is such a great build. Wow.
Fourth gear action, nice.
Sure.
Got a nice glove box here and a nice center console here.
It just drives so smooth.
Opens and closes nice.
I could drive this all day.
I mean, I don't see anything wrong. You got the reverse light down here too, which is a big Mopar thing.
Oh, yes.
And you do have to have it in reverse to get the key out of the ignition.
That's probably part of those instructions.
Yes, it's probably part of these instructions. The steering column lock instructions that are still up here on the visor.
I love it.
That's incredible.
I love the attention to detail. And honestly, Mopars, 70s, 68, 69, they're all so very nice on the inside. I mean, that's not a knock against Mustang or Chevy, but Mopar always had their game going on the interior.
Yeah.
They really did, and this has got to be one of the better ones I've ever seen.
Not a lot of them have trunk floors that you can eat off of, like this one, which you don't find very often.
The gentleman who redid this, I want to shake his hand.
We're going back to the soccer field.
We're going back to the soccer field. Look out for the Jeep.
You really didn't listen to me when I said we were going, did you?
Nope, I didn't. I was too excited. This is one of the best cars ever.
Yeah, this is one of the best cars we've driven, the best classics we've driven. I mean, that ZR1 was awe-inspiring that we drove.
I don't want to talk about that.
But as far as
I'm still trying to make it work.
As far as late 60s, early 70s muscle cars go, it doesn't get much better than this left here.
This is it. This is it. I'm going.
He's gonna go.
Come on. It's a 70 Charger.
It tracks awesome. Everyone in this line of traffic is staring at us. Who wouldn't? We're in a Go Mango Charger.
Yeah, it's not. It doesn't say, "Hey, don't look at me." It says, "Look at me."
Yeah, we do garner a lot of looks in this thing.
As well, you should. And for the gentleman who restored it expertly, thank you.
Yes.
You have made my year.
Comfy seats too.
Very comfy.
Very comfortable.
He took care of it. I mean, this is well done.
He didn't just take care of it. He loved it.
Well done.
He loved all over it.
Oh man, this beautiful 4-speed. That's the way to do it.
We got a horn action. Of course we do.
Why wouldn't we?
Everything in here works.
Tell me the time. Hey, you want me to tell you the time?
What's the time?
It's 35. It's 25 till.
25 till.
Are you ready?
Flybys?
Oh yeah.
Time for flybys.
Oh yeah. This is heaven to drive. This is such a great car. Jake, you got to drive it back. I love this Mopar.
You ready?
Yes, yes I do. I am ready. Oh.